Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the Bluetooth, also known as Uconnect, guys, on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, guys. Okay, if you need to find these fuses, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics. If you have problems with the Bluetooth, the Uconnect not working correctly, it could be quite simple fix. After that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the Bluetooth, Uconnect, fuses, relays come to show you where you can expect to find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee right here, guys. You have two different types of fuse boxes depending on the year model. We'll explain about both. In either case, you need to open the hood, and facing the engine on the left side is the main engine fuse box. Open the cover, guys. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we, guys, continue now, this is for 2014 to 2022 year model, but if you have 2011 to 2013, you have that fuse box layout. Let's explain now why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And here, guys, let's explain first about 2011 to 2013 year model. The Bluetooth fuses are located, is known as fuse number N12. You see this fuse right here, that 30 amp fuse, that's the one that you will, guys, need to check. Now, if you have 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, things will differ, and we will need to check fuse number 67 for the Bluetooth and Uconnect. This is known as that fuse right here. You don't have a relay, okay, you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses that you need to check. If you still have problems with the Bluetooth, Uconnect not working, guys, you may need to pull the radio fuses out, and this fuse for 10 minutes, let the system reset and see if that fixes it. Sometimes that can cause it to fix itself too, but usually that's the main fuse for the Bluetooth and Uconnect. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.